Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this Indian mermaid look for Halloween. It's super easy to do and you can make it as creative and unique as you want. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to be taking one of my favourite colourful palettes ever. This is the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, going in with this bright pink. I'm going to start by applying it to the inner crease of my eye and bringing that down to my nose just to create a kind of contour. This is going to add to the dreamy element of the look. Then taking this purple matte shade, or pinky purpley matte shade from the palette, I'm going to apply this to the crease to blend from this pink colour and out into the outer crease where I'm thinking I will add a blue. This shade will act as my transition colour, so it's going to help it all blend seamlessly together. Then taking this deeper purple shade, this has a bit of shimmer in it, I'm just going to apply this to the outer crease and just to make it a bit more deeper and a bit more purple. And then the final colour in the crease, I'm going to go in with this blue shade, which is also a shimmery shade. I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my eye just to create that dimension. Taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, I'm going to go in and cut my crease. So I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid so that when I put the shimmer on top, it's going to stick really nicely. When you get to the outer corner of your eye, remember to blend the concealer out so it goes right to the end of your eyeshadow. When I had finished this step, I realized that the blue had kind of faded out, so I went back in with a flat brush and just added some more blue to the crease. Then taking this light champagne gold kind of colour with a lot of shimmer, I went and applied this all over my eyelid. You don't need to get this too perfect because you're going to go over it with glitter, well at least I did. I just made sure that the edge right by the cut crease was as perfect as I could get it. Next I took the Lit Cosmetics glitter base and the glitter by Violet Voss in the shade Goldie, I believe. I can't remember, I will link it down below, but it's just a really nice gold light kind of colour. And I applied this all over my lid. I knew I wanted to do a winged liner, so I just went ahead and I tight lined my upper lash line with the Stila black eyeliner. Using the NYX Epic Ink liner, I went ahead and I created a winged liner. I wanted it to be long, but I didn't want it to be so thick and overpower the look. I really love this eyeliner, it's so easy to use and it's so affordable. Now, onto the face. I went ahead and I used these fishnet tights to apply over my head. Yes, over my head. You want to make sure you pull it tight so that the holes are big. It's going to create really nice scales. Then taking this purple cream eyeshadow from Kryolan, I'm going to apply this all over the areas where I would put my bronzer. So basically all over my face, but on the outer side of my face and in my cheek contours. For this step, you want to apply more cream shadows rather than powder shadows because it's going to give greater pigmentation. And also when you're applying it, you want to use dabbing motions like this rather than swiping because you don't want to move any of those fishnet lines. Then taking a blue cream eyeshadow from Kryolan, I'm going to apply this more in the contour zones of my face because I want it to go from like a purple to a blue kind of scale look. This is where you can get creative. You can use any shades you want. Then taking Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive, I'm going to add some highlight, of course, to the tops of my cheekbones, my forehead, and anywhere over the face where I just want some light. Then when you're done, you want to carefully raise the tights off your face and you will see you have created some scales. For lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. I think it's a really nice bright pink colour, but you can go with any other colour. In this look, I could have done purples or blues or whatever goes with that colour theme. And then I applied some more highlighter to the centre of my lips just to give it that kind of dreamy look. And then to finish off the look, I applied some more glitter to the centre of my face and onto my cheekbones just to give it a more wet look. I felt like my eyes were looking a bit bare, so I went in with some black liner and then I just blended it downwards with some blue eyeshadow to match my eyeshadow on top. And then I popped on some lashes and that is the finished look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope you try this out. If you do, don't forget to tag me at Simsagu on Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and I will see you in my next video. Bye!